Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Kehkashan Rubab, postgraduate student of Jinnah University for Women. Today I discuss with you about the recent pandemic of COVID-19. Now comes to our topic. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is a severe respiratory disease caused by the novel coronavirus, which is a new strain in corona family arise through the genetic mutation in the previous one. Let's discuss about the taxonomy of a coronavirus. Coronavirus belongs to family Coronaviridae, having genuses alpha coronavirus, beta coronavirus, gamma coronavirus, and delta coronavirus. Among them, alpha and beta coronavirus have a high potential to cause respiratory illness in humans and animals. Now let's look on a history and epidemiology of a coronavirus. In recent era, coronavirus shows most threatening impact to the world. But if we look back into the history, the infection related to corona is not new, as severe acute respiratory syndrome of 2003 and Middle East respiratory syndrome of Saudi Arabia in 2012 are also related to the coronavirus. But the latest pandemic with the origin of Chinese city Wuhan in late 2019 occurs by the new mutagenic strain of corona named as SARS-CoV-2. Now have a look on structure and mechanism of action of coronavirus. Like other coronavirus, novel coronavirus are spherical in shape, RNA, genome, membrane protein, envelope protein, and spike protein on its surface. Due to the presence of a spike protein, it is named as corona, just like a crown-like appearance. This spike protein latch on the human angiotensin converting enzyme and enter into the cell by undergoing in structural changes, then it binds to the host genome and replicate itself. The researchers found that SARS-CoV-2 spikes have 10 to 20 times more potential to bind with ACE2 receptors. Coronavirus can be transmitted by both, either through direct contact or indirect contact. Now comes to the symptoms. If one suffers from COVID-19, symptoms range from mild to severe, including fever, cough, shortness of breath. But the person with weakened immune system may develop more serious symptoms like pneumonia or bronchitis. Now comes to know how coronavirus detected in nowadays. It can be done either by molecular or serological method. In molecular method, nasal or throat swab taken run for PCR to detect virus genetic material. However, serological testing is done to detect antibodies in recovered person from COVID-19. Now let's discuss what is the preventive measures we taken against COVID-19. By maintaining good hand hygiene, cough and sneezing etiquettes, environmental cleaning, and social distancing of at least 2 meters, we can prevent the spread of virus. And the last, I discuss with you about the treatment and vaccination against COVID-19. Despite similarities in the sequence and structure between the spikes of the two viruses, the former antibodies, which are active against the SARS of 2002, could not found successfully bind to the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. These results suggested that potential vaccine and antibody-based treatment strategies will need to be unique to the new virus. The researchers are currently working on the vaccine candidates targeting the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. They also hope to use the spike protein to isolate antibodies from persons who have recovered from infection by the new coronavirus. If produced in large quantities, such antibodies could potentially be used to treat new infection before a vaccine is available. Thank you.